When it comes to speaking, the major issue is ideas. क्योंकि अगर ideas issue नहीं होता तो हर इंसान अपनी native language में perfect speaker होता. But that is not the case. So now I'm going to teach you that story by which you can generate unlimited ideas. And this is mentioned in this book. So first of all, I have chosen 12 things by which you can answer and create any story. तो पहले मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि वो 12 चीज़ें कौन सी हैं. The first is technology. Second is camera, sports, social media, movies, famous person, brother PR in Canada, random person, hobbies, environment, loving it and hating it. With the combination of any of these, you can create any topic. तो अब मैं आपको समझाऊंगा ये story with an example. So let's take the question. The question is, talk about your favorite photograph. What is that photograph? Who took this photo? Why do you like this photo? So this is our question. So first thing is you have to find the keyword, because when we have to starting सबसे difficult होती है. बहुत बच्चे nervous हो जाते हैं कि start कैसे करना है. तो सबसे easy तरीका क्या है? Find the keyword. The keyword for this particular question is photograph. Step 2 is 3 to 4 lines of intro on that keyword. You can say photographs capture the moment and eternalize it forever, as photography is my hobby. I love clicking pictures whenever I visit a new place or also having a new experience. And here I would like to talk about my favorite photograph with my favorite singer Diljit Dosanjh. So that is the intro part. Then now step 3 is you have to call your brother. Last year my brother, who lives in Canada, he came to India after 4 years on my 25th birthday. To celebrate my birthday, he gave me the concert tickets of Diljit Dosanjh, who is a very famous Punjabi singer and actor. So this is step 3, you have to call your brother. The next step is calling a famous person. I had the VIP ticket, so after the concert, I got the opportunity to meet Mr. Diljit Dosanjh. When I met him, he was very nice. I started shivering because I'm a very big fan of him. I clicked lot of pictures with him. In one of the picture, he was hugging me. That picture became my favorite photograph. So now मैंने आपको बता दिया, that is my favorite photograph. Step 5 is loving it. You can say, I love this photograph because on that picture, it is very candid. I look very good in it. Even Diljit Dosanjh was looking as obviously very handsome and stunning. Step 6, uploading on social media. After that, I decided to upload that photograph on social media. It went viral. So this is the photograph that I really love and it is my favorite. With this structure, you can answer every single cue card and every single opinion based question. अगर आपको जानना है कि ये बाकी क्वेश्चंस पे कैसे वर्क करेगा, जस्ट हिट लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, शेयर द स्क्रीनशॉट, हैव अ फ्री सेशन विद मी. प्रूव कर दो मुझे कि ये वर्क नहीं करेगा, पैसे ले लो, और नहीं तो क्लास ज्वाइन कर लो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.